Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to take screenshots in Steam and customize where they're saved on your computer. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window where you'll see the Steam menu button. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up Steam's main configuration panel where you can adjust all kinds of features and preferences. In the Settings window, look at the left sidebar where you'll find various categories. Click on In-Game. This section contains all the options related to your gaming experience, including overlay features and screenshot functionality. Now you'll need to make sure the Steam overlay is enabled. Look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and ensure the toggle is turned on. This overlay is essential because it's what allows you to access Steam features like screenshots while you're actively playing a game. Next, you'll find the Take a Screenshot option with the default key set to F12 right beside it. This is the button you'll press during gameplay to capture what's happening on your screen. If F12 doesn't work well for you or conflicts with other game controls, you can easily change it. Just click on the key binding, then press whatever key or key combination you'd like to use instead. After you've selected your preferred key, click Confirm to save your new screenshot shortcut. Now here's the important part for saving your screenshots externally. Navigate to the option that says Save an external copy of my screenshots and toggle it on. This feature is crucial because it creates a backup copy of your screenshots outside of Steam's default location, giving you direct access to your images without having to dig through Steam's folders. Once you enable this option, a new setting will appear below it. Look for External Screenshots folder, and right beside it you'll see a button to Change folder. Click on it to choose where you want your screenshots to be saved. A folder browser window will open up. In the left panel, you can select your preferred folder or local drive. Maybe you want them in your Pictures folder, or perhaps you have a dedicated drive for gaming content. Choose whatever location works best for your organization system. Once you've found the perfect spot, click Select Folder to confirm your choice. And that's it, you've successfully configured Steam to take screenshots and save them exactly where you want them. Now, whenever you're in a game, just press your chosen screenshot key and Steam will automatically capture the moment and save a copy to your selected folder for easy access. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.